Control strategies and system stability. A robust control strategy is the final requirement for a successful installation. The narrative should define all system modes of operation, plant rotation, and interlocks. Systems using propane or ammonia often prioritize low-temperature continuous operation to maximize seasonal COP, whereas CO2 systems are frequently optimized around DHW demand profiles and thermal storage charging cycles. For systems with thermal storage and buffer vessels, a stratified store should have multiple temperature sensors to provide trigger points for staging the heat sources. For example, the primary heat pump might activate when the store drops to 50% capacity and deactivate at 90%, whereas an air source heat pump provides the primary source of heat. Controls must ensure the vessel maintains sufficient heat to supply the building continuously while the air source heat pump is in defrost cycle. In bivalent and hybrid systems, the control logic must ensure the heat pump is switched on first to meet demand, with the secondary source, a gas boiler for example, triggered only when the required flow temperature exceeds the heat pump's capabilities. In ground source systems, controls must manage environmental limits, ensuring the temperature difference between abstracted and rejected water stays within regulatory limits. For closed-loop systems, controls must monitor and balance the amount of heat rejected to and extracted from the ground annually to prevent localized ground cooling. In all systems, managing variable flows is essential. Control should ensure that the flow in the condenser or evaporator is varying at any given time, not both, to give the system time to stabilize. To prevent unstable compressor modulation. Advanced strategies now use machine learning to anticipate frost formation based on humidity and weather forecasts, rather than reacting after the evaporator is already blocked. For air handling unit or AHU integration, control should adapt set points based on real-time demand rather than running at fixed design temperatures. CIBSE Journal CPD Module 259 Integration of Heat Pumps into Air Handling Units considers AHU integration in more detail.